In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can update your birthday on Instagram in just a few minutes. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you're going to want to do is open up the Instagram app and tap on your profile picture down in the bottom right corner to open up a page that looks like this. From here, tap the three lines up in the top right corner to open up your settings and activity and select Account Center up at the very top. Now under Account Settings, you're going to want to scroll down until you see the option for personal details. Go ahead and select that. And from here, you're going to see your email, your phone number, and your birthday. Go ahead and select the birthday and then select your account one more time. But first hit edit up at the very top and you'll be able to change that birthday. But overall, yeah, it really is as simple as that. Once you do this, hit save and your birthday is now going to be updated on Instagram. Before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, make sure to ask them down in the comment section below. And once again, we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.